of this one. So we're going to throw this one in it, and we're going to put this.
So what is this? This is our new mouse pad. This is a new mouse pad. Mag-unboxing kami with
a new mouse pad.
Oh.
So we're going to throw the mouse pad.
Oh, so we will change. Oh, we will change this mouse pad. So, what's the features? Anong meron dito, Hansok? So you can charge what? Here, this mouse pad. So you can charge what?
So you can charge
your
computer.
No, your cell phone. Bang!
Mommy, I don't want to be wrong.
Okay.
I want the Android cell phone.
Oh, sige, again. Said guys.
I want the Android computer. Today we're going to unbox the bag. You have to say action.
Action.
Today we're going to unbox. Hi guys, we're going to unbox this bag. It says Red Carbon white bracelet charging
long pad.
long pad.
So the name is
Hacker Professional Game Gear Red Carbon Various Charging long pad. Red Carbon 모천 충전 pad.
Pad. So you show to them na. Open.
So we're going to borrow this. We're going to put it in.
Borrow, what does it mean? They don't know what is borrow. What does it mean?
What it means, if it was a treasure on to something borrow.
Siya, guys. Mag-unbox na. Oh, ayan na. Check. Our new mouse pad. Look, guys. Sabi daw, pwede dito i-charge ang cellphone. Kaya, papalitan ko to kasi ang dumi na. Ang bilis pa nito magka-munji. Magka-dust. Ang bilis niya So, ito guys, parang siya, mabilis lang matanggal. Ito, hindi parehas. So, pwede dito.
Hacker.
Ha?
This bag has hacker.
Oh, okay. So, guys, papalitan ko yung mousepad ko para tapos isa-charge ko yung cellphone ko dito.
So, we're going to rate this. Let's see. Test this. Hi guys, you have to say action again.
Action!
Then, hi guys, we're going to change the computer table map.
Ego mousepad. Okay, so
we're going to change the mousepad.
So what will?
So first, we have to remove this and the keypad and the.
Oh no, you cannot remove this one. I will. No, you cannot remove. Okay, remove this. And then put this.
Then second,
Pandit chok.
This in it.
Tokparo ka na. Okay. So ito na guys ang aking mousepad ngayon. Bago na siya. Ayan ang aking bibitot na makulit. Help niya ako guys. And then okay. So what do you need to do guys?
After that, you have to do it. Put the mouse right over here.
So here's the charger. Tangka man. Isang siman. Hanap tayo ng saksakan. Na. Ibalik mo to. Oh, Igos. This is laruan mo na yan.
Now put this.
잘하는데, 낙비비. 봐. Ito. Ano siya guys. Oh, done. Tapos na. Oh.
Hey guys, it's all done.
Mm.
So this one has like this.
Okay, then next. Ano kung paano to? Ngayon guys, ito, isasaksak natin. Ay, Banjijima! Unsok!
I'm just going to listen for my cell phone.
Ayan na guys, ilalagay ko dito. Anong isa? Ano to? Ambot. Paano ba? Halike? Madya. Diri, pagsugad, diri. Sugad. Paano ba to? No? Nandiyan mahonsog. Pwede siguro dalawa. Ayan. Ayan wala. Tapos, isaksak to doon sa kabila.
I'm going to throw this
Paano ko to?
outside.
Ano? Dito sa computer. Dito ko isaksak guys. Dito ko isaksak. Ayan na. Tapos, ito. Yung anak ko kasi. Ito. Tapos, ito na. Wireless charger. Ay, hindi. Okay, yan na guys. Nag-ilaw na guys. Kanina walang ilaw, di ba? So, ayan na siya. Nag-ilaw na. So, itry nga natin tong cellphone ko. Hindi kung magcha-charge ang cellphone ko pag ganito. Hindi siya nagcha-charge. Oh, nagcha-charge. Kahit pala may cover. O, yan na guys. Wala na wala na akong problema sa nagcha-charge siya guys. Ayan siya, nagcha-charge. So, ulitin natin ha.
My cell phone can work when it's charging.
Yeah. Oh, get the cellphone over there, the other cellphone.
My
Dali.
cell phone?
Yeah. All cellphone gate. Bring in here. All cellphone. Unsok, bring in here. Ayan, nagcha-charge siya guys. Ayan na siya. Oh, pakita ko sa yung battery. Gumagana siya guys. Ayan o, charging. Ayan o. Ayan o. Ayan o. Ayan siya guys. Charging siya guys. Okay. So, I don't have a problem na for my cell phone charging. Wala na akong problem. Wala na akong problema sa pag-charge ng cell phone. So, let's try this one kung pwede siya mag-charge. So, try natin to ha. Kung pwede siya. Ay, hindi siya pwede. Wala siyang sensor. Hindi siya pwede.
How for my cell phone one?
How about this one, Hunsok?
No.
Kasi ito guys, ang ano nito, sinauna pa, kaya hindi face out na siguro. So ito, samsiman. So ito guys, ito try natin. Kasi parehas ito ng cellphone ko yung charger. Oh man. Yung cellphone ko lang ang tinatanggap. Kaloka naman. Matagal itong cellphone noong sinauna pa. Hindi siya tinatanggap guys. Ayaw tanggapin. Yung akin lang ang pwede i-charge. Yung mga latest cellphone lang ang kaya niyang tanggapin. Ayaw. So, look. Try natin ulit. Ayan na guys. Bali yung cellphone ko lang ang tinatanggap niya mag-charge. Siguro pati yung sa asawa ko pwede yan dito kasi latest. Yan siya guys. Oh, nag-charge na siya. So, wala na akong problema pagdating sa charger. So, ayan na siya. Nakasit up na. Tinulungan ako ng aking bibitot. Ito guys, parang gusto ko rin to palitan. Gusto ko to palitan. Yung gusto ko yung malambot na malambot. Ito ang gusto ko palitan. And ayan na guys. The brand is Hacker. Asan na yung box? Ito siya guys. Ito yung brand niya guys. Hacker. Diba Hacker ang pronunciation dyan? Ang pagbasa ng asawa ko, Hacker. Ayan na siya guys. Ayan siya. Ayan siya guys. Diba? Hacker. Ayan siya. Tapos, ayan. Ayan siya guys. Ito, papalitan ko to soon kasi medyo hindi na siya lumalambat. May sira na rin kasi nilagyan ko ng sticker. Ang brand din nito is Razor brand to guys. Ito pag ganito Razor brand yan Razor. Ito guys. Ngayon itong mouse ko pag hindi ko ginagamit diyan yan. Yan, mag-charge siya ng green. Pag naka-green color, it means naka-charge siya guys. Yan. Yan siya. Kawala-wala yung kulay niya yan. Nag-a-attend ako ng premiere ni Jennifer Burgara's family. Ayan na siya guys. So, tapos na. Itong mousepad ko is ano saan tawag? Ayan siya guys. Red Carbon Wireless Charging Long Pad. Ayan guys. Para walang problema sa charging na. Diba? AC lang. So guys, sa mga hindi pa dyan nagsusubscribe sa aking channel, please subscribe my channel and please click the bell button para updated kayo sa aking mga video guys. Ayan na ang cellphone ko charging. Bye guys! See you next time for my next vlog.